Lumayan mo ni ang Queen Nana Pavilion Park. Very solemn her. Munang around this one. It's a big parking area and already boss in the other side. Boss na kay that this is the last building. It's solemn. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Diba? Luag kayo. Bus na ang luyo niya. Na toilet. Ito. Na kitchen. Di nun siya bago. Pero nice man. Dekoritan. Big area inside. Oh. Muni ang front niya. Thank you for watching. Please like and share on my next video. Bye.